GK questions and answers on computer. Which of the following is not a word related term? Answer is slideshow. How is a file called an Excel document stored? Answer is workbooks. Which toolbar button displays for alignment and font size word? Answer is formatting toolbar. Which one of the following is not a spreadsheet related term? Answer is browser. If you want to choose a font for a sentence in a Word document, then answer is select font in format menu. Excel is a program that is used to prepare. Answer is spreadsheet. To edit a document that has been created means. Answer is to correct it. Which of the following identifies a cell in Excel? Answer is address. To replace option is available in Word. Answer is edit menu. If you click on any word in a word, it gets selected. Answer is twice. To reverse your previous action in Word, use the undo command. Display your position in the next. Answer is cursor. What is the function of keyboard in computer? Answer is to input. Which of the following is a medium of output? Answer is printer. Print preview is useful if you want to. Answer is see how the document will look when printed. If the cell in a Microsoft Excel document is known by its cell address, then answer is cells row and columns label. The open, print and save all buttons are located on. Answer is standard toolbar. The name of the Microsoft Office Word document is displayed in both the taskbar. Answer is title bar. Using Excel's extension for file. Answer is Excel. When you start Word, the new document that appears is based on what? Answer is blank document template. What are the numbers and formulas entered in the cell called? Answer is numerical entries. Microsoft Office, this is the example. Answer is origin parallel market software. What is the used to copy the selected text and paste it in document? Answer is Control C and Control V. Is the collection of information saved as unit? Right answer is folder. The basic unit of worksheet in which you enter data in Access is called. Answer is cell. Is a special visual and audio effect that is applied to text or context in PowerPoint. Right answer is animation. The extension of Excel spreadsheet is .xls. The point at which column and row intersect in a spreadsheet is called a cell. Worksheet appear vertically and are identified by letters at the top of worksheet window. Answer is column. What is the shortcut key for setting the text selected by the user in Word? Answer is Control E. By default document print mode. Answer is portrait. Which type of file can be created from word processing program? Answer is document file. What is the name given by the user to the document called? Answer is file name. What to do if you want to save the existing document under a different name? Answer is use save as command. When you have to move text from the one page to another, the best way is to cut and paste. Saving this. Answer is copying document from memory to storage medium. The directory in a directory is called. Answer is subdirectory. Selecting zoom command. Answer is changes the extension of displayed document. If you previously saved file in edited, then it is necessary to save file again to store the change. The software used for budget generation is called? Answer is spreadsheet software. Which menu is selected for print? Answer is file. What is the name given by the user to the document? Answer is file name. Which menu is selected to cut a copy and paste? Answer is edit. What is the connection of related files called? Answer is database. Changing existing documents key of the document is called editing. Which grouping is used while formatting text and word? Answer is table programs and indexes. Who displays the content of active cell in Excel? Answer is formula bar. Which of the following is used to select the entire document? Answer is Control A. With the help of which command we can save a document? Answer is Control S. What is the group of files stored in computer called? Answer is directory. Is an electronic device that converts data into information and processes it? Answer is processor. Which part of CPU coordinates the activities of other computer components? Answer is control unit. Conversion of input to output done through? Answer is CPU. What is a computer? Answer is an electronic machine. What is called data in computer? A number, B symbol, C given information. Answer is ABC. What is the information in the computer? Answer is the collected data. Which of the following is a part of CPU? Answer is ALU. What is EDP? Answer is electronic data processing. What is CPU? Answer is central processing unit. What is the full form of ALU? Answer is arithmetic logic unit. What is a CPU? Answer is chip. The basic work performed by a computer. Answer is numerical. B logical. C data collection. Answer is all of these. The brain of a computer is called? Answer is CPU. Whose speed is more between the human mind and the computer? Answer is human mind. The work of CPU. Arithmetic calculation. B comparison of the values to quantities. C desired data in artificial memory. Answer is none of these. Human memory power is comparable to that of computers. Answer is normal. What type of intelligence is given to the computer? Answer is desired data in artificial memory. Capacity of computer is? Answer is limited. The controlling part of the computer is called CPU. The working principle of a computer? Answer is input, output and processing. Components of CPU are? Answer is control unit, memory and ALU. The data going into the computer is called? Answer is input. Establishes harmony between all parts of the computer. Answer is control unit. Computer performs addition, subtraction, multiplication and division by division. Answer is ALU. Is the result produced by the computer? Answer is output. Which of the following present as a component in CPU? Answer is ALU. Main memory work in coordination with? Answer is CPU. Input represents? Answer is computer system. ALU carries out operations. Answer is arithmetic. The first is the counting machine. Answer is abacus. For what purpose was the famous computer named Paceman made? Answer is sports. Who built the first mechanical calculator? Answer is Blaise Pascal. The computer which was manufactured before the first generation computer? Answer is electric. What is the supercomputer? Answer is supercomputer is processes data for many users simultaneously. It is a heavy and expensive computer system. and it is used in large scale organizations. What is the basic infrastructure of the computer was developed by? Answer is Charles Babbage. Which is the following largest, fastest and most expressive computer? Answer is supercomputer. Commonly used computer? Answer is digital computer. What is Cray? Answer is supercomputer. Which of the following is needed for the production of chips? Answer is silicon. The use of multiprogramming started with the which generation of computer? Answer is Cray. The first generation computer had a? Answer is disk size fault. On the basis of working methods, there are two types of computer. Answer is digital computer and analog computer. Which of the following is a TV shaped computer? Answer is micro. iMac is a type of? Answer is machine. Which of the following is the main feature of computer? Answer is speed. Digital computer can do? Answer is crore calculations per second. Who was the first to use a punch card? Answer is Joseph Mary. Who among the following is called the father of computers? Answer is Charles Babbage. Who has contributed the most to the development of computer? Answer is Van Neumann. When was the first modern computer discovered? Answer is 1946. Which institute has developed the ultimate supercomputer developed in India? Answer is CDAC. What are the two types of output devices? Answer is monitor and printer. What is the mouse technique used to access the properties of an object? Answer is right clicking. To go to the beginning of the line of text, press? Answer is home key. Dash and dash are the common inputs devices. Answer is keyboard and mouse. What is the number of function key on the keyboard? Answer is 12. Which of the following is not an input device? Answer is monitor.